kind of a dream to be able to generate your own electricity. My whole house runs on solar. All my vehicles are EVs. My lawnmowers are auto mowers that run on electricity. I've completely decommissioned gas throughout the house. So we're not burning any fossil fuels. We first got the batteries installed that we had a storm that had trees fall down onto overhead power lines, and this whole neighbourhood lost power, and we were fine. So we went for kind of effectively half a day without power. But I wasn't stressed about my fridges and freezers defrosting and just potential complications out of that. And just, we were cruising along. It was awesome. Like, we were the only ones with the lights on. My wife's house had a 2-day outage, and so that was really spurred her onwards to the panels in the battery system and over at her place. So she's got that over there as well, so she's all kind of independent as well. I would like to see every single house, every single building with solar panels on the roof, and then the grid becomes a distributed network of everybody supplies a little bit to the grid.